am motto. Preventing security is my motto. Install Trojan on your data to protect your viruses better. With need viruses, enter your Trojan forever. Trojan never enter your data. I'm motto. Preventing security is my motto. Trojan, keep your data forever. Trojan, keep your update forever. Trojan for browsing and e-shopping. My Trojan, keep your office forever, so you never work. I am motto. Fail performance is my motto. I make Trojan lot easier. No efficiency, no GitHub names. Trojan gets better. I ensure the company is failing. I'm motto. Trojan theft is my motto. No malware, no spyware without Trojan. No stealing pen drive, and you work with any tension. I am motto. Trojan loss is my motto. I recover Trojan loss, saving you from your files. I delete data files, making it sure that you never smile. I'm motto. Laptop theft is my motto. I track your lost Trojan data files to let you work up. I like Trojan to do stealing kids files from kids laptop data files, saving tension files from parenting security forever. I am motto. Bringing malware, spyware, Trojan closure is my motto. I protect your Trojan while Trojan steals internet data forever. As Trojan know that viruses security is tough, I like to bring internet data to malware forever, making surfing tough with all fail traces. I am motto. Incomplete spyware is my motto.